Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to provide an overview of how usage and account limits work within Raptor's SEO tools and our web crawler. Now you're only really metered on the number of URLs that we crawl, and so every project that you add, unless you crawl that project, you're not going to use up any of your usage. We have a green banner at the top which will change colour over time as you get towards the end of the amount of URLs that you have available with any billing period or on your free trial, and this will show you how many you've got remaining. On the project screen, which you'll see when you log in, you can also see the number of URLs, which reflects the number of URLs that are in that project that we've crawled. Now in the top menu here, in the header strip, you have a usage link. If you click that, that takes you through to the usage page, and from here you can see a range of information about the usage in terms of the number of URLs that you've used. So in here you can see the last 30 days and how many URLs were crawled on each of those days. This reflects this chart, the pie chart here reflects the number of URLs that have been used and are remaining within the current billing cycle. And this chart shows you a breakdown of your monthly usage, number of URLs used versus remaining. Because I've got so many URLs available within this account, it doesn't actually really register most of the remaining URLs on these charts. On the left hand side here you have the subscription that you're on, the renewal day, the URL limit of the account, the URLs used, if we've applied any bonus URLs to your account, the URLs remaining. And we also show some percentages as well, just to break that down for you. At the bottom we see how many projects you've got, how many sites are within those projects, and how many crawls have been performed. And under the projects tab at the top here, we get a breakdown of the projects that have been crawled within the last billing cycle, which is typically a 30-day or 31-day period. And you can see the number of URLs at the bottom that have been crawled within that period, and each of the projects. Now, to give you a little bit more information about the usage, every single URL that we crawl, whether it's an image or a HTML page or a CSS file, all gets taken off of the URL limit. And regardless of the status or response code of those pages, whether it's a 200 response code or a 301 or a 404, all of that gets taken off of the usage. If you delete a project after you've crawled a site, we still obviously take that off of the usage, and it will show up under the projects tab and be highlighted in red with the status as deleted. So there you go. I hope this has been useful. Thanks for watching.